welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use metallic puff. So I do have a video where I used the Siser brand, which was in the color silver and gold, and in this video I'm going to be using the Atlanta Vinyl brand in the colors red and blue. So I did make this shirt here. So Create is in the red puff, Educate is in the blue puff, hopefully you guys can see it, and then Inspire is in the Siser silver. Okay, so I'm going to be going into detail about how to press it, time, temperature. I'm going to show you how it weeds, how I cut it, my cut settings, all of those things. And then, like I said, we will press it together and I will show you, because this does require 2 presses. I know that in the world of puff, pressing it twice is like something that was always a no-no, but if you are an OG on my channel, you know that I press my puff multiple times. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how I press this onto the shirt, not how I created the image, but how I got it onto the shirt. We're going to be talking all things puff, metallic puff today, so definitely go ahead and stick around for that. All right, so I do have my puff on my mat here. I am going to cut all 3 colors at the same time. So it's going to be red for the word create, silver for the word inspire, and then blue for the word educate. And then my outline is going to be the rainbow white, and we're going to press it on a black shirt. But I just wanted to show you kind of how I set it up on my mat. I do cut, if it's the same, like I cut the glitter and the puff separately because it does require a different pressure setting, but all 3 of these do require the same pressure setting, so that's why I put them all on the same mat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them cut out, and then we'll go ahead and press. Alright guys, so I am using my Siser Romeo here to cut, and I'm just placing the arrow on the material there. Now I am cutting on the Easy Weed setting. Now with the settings, it definitely depends on what all you cut. For me, I do cut a lot of flock and I cut it often, so my blades tend to get a little bit duller quicker. So my settings right now are currently on 10 speed, and I think the force was at 25. But again, that's because I cut a lot of flock. If you don't cut a lot of flock, you can probably just do whatever the machine comes preset to. Okay, now I just wanted to show you how easily it weeds once you do cut it. I mean, it weeds like butter. It was definitely easy to work with, both the red and the blue. All right, so I do have everything cut out. Now we're gonna go ahead and first we're gonna press this is the Siser Rainbow White Glitter, and then we're gonna press the other colors. This is specifically like a tutorial on the red and the blue metallic. Just because, and you know, like the reason why I didn't show you guys how to make this file and all those things prior to is simply because I'm showing you how to press the red and the blue metallic puff. Now my heat press right now is on 280 degrees, and I just pressed this for 10 seconds. It is just a tack down, simply because y'all, it was a little piece of white glitter right there, but that's okay. The shirt is for me. That was simply just kind of like a tack down press. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm actually going to press all 3 of these layers at the same time, because all 3 of these colors do require 2 presses. So as you can see, I've cut them very close to the vinyl so that we can go ahead and layer them inside the words. Now when it comes to vinyl, I like to use the knockout method, which is as you can see here, the inside of my letters for my outline, they've been removed. Okay, so that way my puff will just lay right inside of the letters here without actually laying on top of the glitter vinyl, which is what we want. Because these are considered non-layerable vinyls, if you were to layer this puff vinyl on top of the glitter without doing the knockout method, then it will probably peel rather quickly, and we don't want that. So the reason I'm taping down the blue and the red is because they're not laying flat like this silver one is, and I just want to make sure they don't shift when I go to press. Now I'm not going to cover with a carrier or parchment paper, Teflon sheet. I'm not going to cover it at all. I do have about somewhere right in the middle between medium to firm pressure on my heat press already, and then I am going to go ahead and press this for 280 degrees for 10 seconds. And then the carrier sheets are peeled cool. I'm sorry, not cool, warm. Okay, so as I don't know if you can see, but it's not necessarily puffed up yet. It puffs on that second press. That second press is definitely the money press. I'm not sure of the logic behind that and why it's like that, but for these kinds of vinyl, that's just how it is. So it's a warm peel. So this is the blue. The silver. And the red. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, and now I am going to cover the for the second press, because there's no carrier sheets, I am going to cover with a piece of parchment paper just to stop any scorching. So I'm going to cover the whole design with the parchment paper, and then we're going to press again at 280 degrees for 10 seconds, and we should get the puffage. OMG. Can y'all see it? That looks so good. Okay, let me back this up. Uh-oh. So you guys can see it. And I'm going to turn this off because it's hot. Hopefully you guys can see the puff. All three colors are puffed up. So we got the blue, the metallic royal blue, the silver, and the red. Hopefully the camera is picking it up, you guys. But that is pretty much it. It's really super simple. 280 degrees for 10 seconds, 2 presses, medium to firm pressure. Definitely make sure that you are doing a test press if you're going to go ahead and use these vinyls. Everything I'm using in today's video is linked down in the description box, you guys, so definitely make sure you check there, including this file. I did make this one myself. This file is in my Etsy shop. I will have a rhinestone file coming out as well in this, but for now it's just the SVG, and then all of the vinyls will be linked down below as well. Oh, and this is just a Gildan heavy cotton. Alright, but that's all I have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. Until next time, bye guys.